Setting up ACD queues. A queue is a holding pen for incoming calls, where calls are answered on a first-come, first-served basis. This allows you to queue up calls when all staff are busy or on other calls. To add a queue, select Queue on the left-hand side and then click on Add Queue. Enter a name for your queue. We will call ours main_queue. Please note that there can be no spaces in a queue name. We will label our queue as 3001 and set the maximum number of callers as 10. Rings to answer is the number of rings the caller hears before they enter the queue. We will set ours to 3 rings. To set announcement options, click on Advanced Options and scroll down to Announcements on the left-hand side. Announcement hold times periodically informs the caller of their position in the queue. This is generally set to Yes. Announce frequency is how frequently the caller hears this message. We will set this to every 30 seconds. Periodic announce allows you to select your own customized recording message. Periodic announce frequency sets how often this message is repeated. Once complete, press Save. Next, you'll need to define which extensions are responsible for picking up the calls in the queue. To do this, click on the Queue Members and Agents button on the top right. This will display a second box on your screen. The available column lists all extensions that are currently not members of the queue. The name is the name of the extension holder and number is the extension number. Select queue members by checking the box on the left and then clicking on the arrow that appears. We will add extension 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005 to the queue. In the Members column, there is an extra field. Penalty. This enables you to set the order in which the extensions will ring. In our example, we will set 1002 and 1003 to penalty 0. Set 1004 to penalty 1 and set 1005 to penalty 2. In this instance, when a caller enters our queue, extensions 1002 and 1003 will ring first. If both are busy, then 1004 will ring next, and thereafter 1005. Next, we need to set how long customers can be on hold for and what happens after that. To do this, we will go back to the Advanced Options and the General Queue settings on the left. Queue ring timeout is how long a penalty will ring for before escalating to the next penalty level. We will set this to 30 seconds. Max wait seconds is the maximum period of time a customer should remain in the queue before being forwarded somewhere else. we will set this to 300 seconds. The max wait extension is where the call is forwarded if nobody answers the call. Within 300 seconds in our example, we will forward the call to voicemail box 4001. Next, we need to set a ring strategy. The default is ring all. This simply rings all available members following the penalties until somebody answers or the call exceeds the maximum wait time. In our example, under ring all, (1002) and 1003 will both ring at the same time. If they're both busy on calls, then 1004 will ring, and finally 1005. This correctly follows the penalties. In another situation, if 1002 and 1003 are available but do not answer the call, then their extensions will both ring for the queue ring timeout period, in our case 30 seconds. Thereafter, the call escalates to the next penalty, in this case 1004, for another 30 seconds, and finally to 1005. If we set the ring strategy to round robin, each extension on the list will ring in order. In our example, 1002 will ring for 30 seconds, then 1003 for 30 seconds. Thereafter, the call will be passed to the next penalty and ring 1004 for 30 seconds, and finally 1005. Other ring strategies that are available include least recent, fewest calls, random, and round robin with memory. Least recent will maintain a log of which extension last answered a call. The extension that has least recently answered a call will ring first. After 30 seconds, the next least recent extension will ring, and so on. Fewest calls will first ring the extension that has taken the least number of calls in the queue and escalates in that fashion every 30 seconds. Random rings a random extension for 30 seconds, then another, and so on. Round robin with memory simply remembers the last extension to pick up a call and carries on from there. So if 1004 was the last extension to answer a call, 1005 will ring for 30 seconds, then 1001, and so on.